The next question is, what is the one golf etiquette rule that every fairway tita should never break? Okay. I don't know if it's a golf etiquette rule, okay? So, I think it's more of how you look at the game. Golf is a game of integrity and being honest. Very timely to, guys, dahil ang dami na nating naririnig na kwento about, cheating and whatever, sandbagging, or issues na ganun about golf. And alam nyo, golf kasi it is really parang, it is you, disiplina sa sarili mo, na you call penalties on yourself. Whether or not somebody is looking, whether or not it's a tournament or not, the game of golf depends on the integrity and the honesty of the player. So sinasabi nga nila, golf is a gentleman's game. What does that mean ba? It means that, honesty and your character reveals itself when you play golf. So if you are a dishonest person, then makikita because you're not being true to your scores, diba? Or if you don't follow the reveals itself when you play golf. So if you are a dishonest person, then makikita because you're not being true to your scores, diba? Or if you don't follow the rules when dropping or penalizing yourself, then it shows your character, you're dishonest. And ang game kasi ng golf relies on your honesty, the player's honesty, more than anything else. So, nakikita ang character ng tao sa paglalaro ng golf, diba? So, in my case, when I practice in the fairway, kung nahulog ako, I count it. I include everything. I include all the shots that I do because I feel na kasi it's my gauge kung nag-i-improve ba ako or hindi, diba? Kasi it's not more of the scorecard, it's more of, am I improving in this hole? Kasi kung parang pag hindi ko kinount na nahulog ako, parang tinaya ko naman yung sarili ko, lalabas sa scorecard na ganito ko, pero when in fact, hindi. So, ang niloloko ko yung sarili ko. So, hindi ko alam tuloy kung nag-improve ba ako or hindi. So, and sometimes, alam mo guys, pag nahulog ka, it's not like the end of the world. Di mag-drop ka, diba? And then, humabol ka na lang. So, and then malay mo, you can save bogey or double bogey, diba? And sometimes, also, pag sumabog ka sa isang hole, it's not like sira na yung buong laro mo. Maybe that hole sira, but at least pwede kang bumawi. And at the end of the day, minsan magugulat ka na, wow, nakabawi pala ako. At wow, umayos pa yung laro ko. So, it's more of really, guys, ako, I like to keep my game honest as much as possible kasi for me, doon ko makikita kung nag-i-improve ako or nag-i-improve ako kasi doon yung basis ko, guys, yung parang usually when I play, like I play today, I ask my caddy, what was my score yesterday? So, based on that, ang goal ko for today is to try to beat my score doon. So, ganun yung ko. So, dapat very honest din yung pagsuscore ninyo. Para alam nyo din, diba, na if nag-i-improve kayo. And also, kunwari, pag yung bola nyo tumama sa woods or sa wherever. So, kami, kahit na naiinis na ako sa June Golfer Caddy ko, they make me play my shots where it lies. Why? Because, guys, it helps me to learn how to get out of those areas. Lalo na if I join a tournament, 'di ba? Na syempre wala yung mulligan, walang ganyan-ganyan yan, guys, 'di ba? So, at least alam ko na how to play out of those difficult situations. Kasi guys, if you don't do that, if you don't learn to do that, then mas mahihirapan ka in the end, 'di ba? So, yun, isa ko din yun na parang tip na fairway tita tip for beginner golfers. At some point in your practices, syempre pag beginner ka, medyo may leeway ka pa. But like kami noon, after a year or so, or after a few months, sinabi ni coach, you will play it where it lies. So, para malaman mo kung paano ka makakalabas from the trees. And it helps, guys, actually, when you do that. Kasi you will learn na how to like punch out or how to think na avoid those things na nangyayari. 'Di ba? You embrace those things because you will learn from those things. And when you join a tournament, for me, alam mo, okay na maging competitive, 'di ba? It's okay. Ano yan drive yon. That means you have a drive to win, which is okay. But sometimes there is also a balance to it. Dapat hindi tayo driven or so competitive to win na we will be cheating. Because that's not winning, right? So parang, ang ginawa mo, niloko mo yung sarili mo. More than niloko mo yung ibang tao, actually. And, alam mo, in golf, I learned your reputation is so important, and how other people treat you depends on how they see you. What is your character? For me kasi, pag niloloko mo yung sarili mo. And I wouldn't feel happy that I won. It's like parang I didn't deserve the trophy. 'Di ba? Para mas okay pa sa akin na I was first or second runner-up, but I felt that my game was good and I didn't cheat, 'di ba? So parang sa akin, yun yung mga ko. For me, mga fairway tita golf etiquette na talagang you shouldn't break, 'di ba?